Hey, Brandon Simmons coming to you from Chandler, Arizona. Right behind me is one of my rental properties that I just sold. I want to share with you a technique on how I just made $47,000 by selling this property. Now, for those of you who don't know, that you can buy real estate with no money down. You can do wholesaling, you can do seller financing. I actually used a seller financing technique, bought the house with no money out of my own pocket. I used private money from another lender to do the rehab and the down payment. I cash flowed on this $300 a month, and I just sold this about a week ago and made $47,000. Now, the reason why I'm telling you this is that because there's a lot of gurus out there that try to tell you, oh, do this technique or do this technique, and they're charging you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Look, I'm a normal guy, okay? I try to pay my bills. I mean, that's my car. I don't have a Lambo. It's just a Subaru. It's 3 years old. I mean, you can see the dents on the side whenever someone that I know drove into the side of the garage. I haven't even fixed it yet. Okay, I don't care. You know what I like? I like having my bills paid on time. I like having no credit card debt, and I like getting rid of all my debts as soon as possible. What was nice about this is I used a technique called a seller carryback. The owner carried back the loan. They were the Wells Fargo or the Chase. They acted like the bank. They gave me a monthly payment that I paid them principal and interest every single month for 3 months. And then I was able to rent the house out. I made $300 a month cash flow. And I just sold it after having it for less than 3 years. So check it out. It's just a blue collar neighborhood. I mean, normal houses here in Chandler, Arizona, nothing fancy. I mean, we still got to get rid of weeds. I mean, we got a church down the road. It's a beautiful, just nice bread and butter neighborhood, nothing fancy. But from this house, when there was not any equity in the property, I was able to make a deal. And that was from seller carryback. I was able to negotiate a seller financing deal. I gave the landlord what he wanted. He gave me what I wanted, which was terms. And then I was able to make profit every single month and then make a big profit on the back end. Anyone can do this. I thought it was impossible because I didn't understand all the ins and outs. But it's as simple as a 2-page purchase contract with a 1-page addendum. 3 pieces of paper, $47,000 later, okay? So thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please smash the like button. Make sure to share this video. I want to help you understand how to do more wholesale deals with no money out of your pocket, how to do seller financing deals with no money out of your pocket, and create a legacy for yourself, okay? Thanks for watching.